All right, everybody, it's getting into refi business. The refi season is in full swing. Rates have dropped from those sky-high rates we've had ever since the COVID madness, and people want to get the best deals based on their refinance scenario. The question is, how do you calculate that? Well, you need to figure out how much it's going to cost you to how much you save. I know it sounds simple, but lenders are really good at obscuring these numbers. We're going to talk about that up front. We're going to do a return on investment calculation. We're going to take how much it costs you divided by how much the monthly is, and we're going to figure out the exact month it pays for. So let's say you save $400 a month and it costs you $4,000. Easy calculation. That's 10 months until that refinance pays for itself. I get all kinds of people that already talked to another lender, and I don't know why they say this, but they always say it doesn't cost you anything. But if you increase somebody's loan balance by $4,000, it does cost something, and it typically chews into your home equity if you go to sell your house later. And you have to borrow money and then pay that back 2 times. So it does cost you. It costs you possibly twice, and that's a misleading statement. Well, we don't like to be misleading here. We're the kind of shoppers that if you want to know what's going on in your transaction, we're going to address that up front. We're going to say, these are the costs. This is at this rate. Here's the title cost. Here's the lender cost. Here's the appraisal cost. We can do loans. Typically, we try to run them through. I do have the ability to do refinance loans many times. If it's a conventional refinance with no title insurance, that saves the borrower thousands of dollars and gets our ROI down. So you start saving money very much more quickly after your refinance. So if you want straight talk, you want to know exactly how things work, and you want to get the lowest rates, give us a call. We'll run it through, and you'll realize why we have so many 5 stars and why everybody loves us. This is not by accident. This is because we deliver value, transparency, and communicate that to our customers. And then they see it, and then they tell their friends. Hopefully this helps. Give us a call.